How's it going, you guys? RC Journey here. As you see, I got the 1/16 scale WPL B-36 Ural communications truck. Had them ship me this pretty fast for you guys. Been wanting to take a look at it myself, see if we can answer some questions. So let me get right into it. Now, the main question I had when I was watching the videos is, seems like it has metal gears. You know, metal gears has been a must. A stronger drivetrain has been needed for a long time. So, a little bit more money. This was around 67 US. We have the controller, the charger here with mirrors, leaf springs, small and large. Looks like a little light. Good old-fashioned high-speed series WPL controller. Be careful, there's no guard for this, so I see that getting broke pretty easily. Some instructions. And I also seen that this comes with a lipo, so that's nice. And by the looks on the videos, it's also proportionate steering and proportionate throttle. And we all know we've been needing that. You just get annoyed with how loud the steering is and not actually being able to crawl. First impressions, I like it. Everything seems to have a little door handle. Doesn't look like anything comes off. It's all mounted pretty good. I'm sure it snaps off if you really want it off. So, looks like it made it well through the packaging and the travels. The leaf springs aren't stuck in compressed mode. Couple little flat spots on the tires, but hopefully that'll work itself out. Now the tires, they're not as soft as the kit, but not as hard as the RTR. So I don't know, that's kind of like a happy medium. Kind of like the same thing the other company did. Try to find a happy medium with the tires. Same suspension design as the B16 from WPL. Now they did give you a 180 motor, which is good. I see they have WPL branded on there, so that's nice. It's nice to see this company get more money, get more popular, better reputation. The first impressions is I like it. It's big, top heavy. It seems like everything don't have a door handle there. It's going to be a little difficult to pop open. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be their best WPL. So it's good to see them getting better quality. Small lipo. Little 500 milliamp hour, 7.4 volt. The thing is tiny. Size of a AA battery. Looks as though, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but if you can peek, let me see, in there and separate that bushing a little bit, you can see that there's gold metal. And we all know the gold is the upgraded metal parts. So let me put you guys on hold for a second and pop open one of these diff covers and see if we got some metal gears. Alright. So as you guys can see, that's the front diff, and it is metal. So we can go ahead and assume that the rear is metal as well. I see gold there, I see gold there, and gold here. So that's nice. That's going to make this truck a lot better with the metal gears already. So let me throw that pumpkin back on and get a quick little running video for you guys. Alright, you guys, got her all plugged up and put back together. Now that's going to flash until it binds. Not bad. So it is proportionate steering. And it is a really loud proportionate throttle. So not bad. Quarter throttle. Seems to have 180 power. Not bad, you guys. Definitely worth 60 bucks. 65 at the time. I'm liking it. Alright, well, just wanted to let you guys off with a good note. This is definitely the best WPL made. The fact that it comes with metal upgrades, and you can just tell they're getting more in depth with their product and making sure it's meeting customer satisfaction. So definitely liking WPL. Will continue to purchase every truck they make. And I just wanted to leave you guys off with the ones in the background are my builds. This is the half track, quad track, just the B-16 drift truck, the rat rod, and if you can see the C24 and C14 on the trailer. So WPL is definitely coming up, and they're starting to have competition. JJRC. You know, I have the new JJRC coming as well. And with their products coming out and looking pretty good, I think I'm going to continue to purchase them as well. And the new JJRC truck, 6x6, will be here very shortly as well, and that will be my next video. So, but thanks to Gears Best and Bang Good for helping me out with this. Thank you guys very much, and more to come.